Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to change /commands permissions on Discord, so let's jump right in. First, we need to invite a Discord bot that will enable us to access and modify /commands and their permissions. To do this, open your browser. Once there, search for top.gg and click to open the site. Once inside, click on the search bar, type Me6 and hit enter. You'll see the Me6 bot appear at the top of the search results. Click on it, then select Invite. Next, choose the server where you are an admin from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected the server, click on Continue and you will successfully add the bot. Now, go to Discord. On the left side, you'll see all your servers. Locate and click on the server you selected earlier. Then, click on the drop-down arrow next to the server name. From the menu that appears, select Server Settings. Once inside Server Settings, click on Integrations. Here, you'll find a list of all the bots you've added to your server. Locate Me6 and click on it. Inside the Me6 settings, you'll see all the available /commands. You can manage their permissions by clicking on the respective buttons. This allows you to either allow or disallow specific roles or channels from accessing those commands. Simply adjust the settings for each /command as needed. That's how you can change /commands permissions on Discord. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.